you are going to get 1 year complimentary key replacement. Let me explain how this works. Have you ever lost a key?
Yeah.
Did you pay to have it replaced?
Yeah.
How much did it cost you?
$250.
Okay, you got off lucky. That was a cheap key.
Yeah.
The keys that come with the vehicle you're going to buy from us today are closer to $300 to $400. During the first year of ownership, we will cover those keys for you against loss or breakage. Drop it in the ocean, we'll replace it. Run over it with a lawnmower, we'll replace it. Dog eats it, we'll replace it. We'll not only replace the key and the key fob, but we'll also pay for the programming. If necessary, we will pay for substitute transportation, taxi, Lyft, Uber. If necessary, we'll pay for towing. One key replacement can run up to $950, and that includes $200 to pay to replace additional keys on your key ring should you lose your entire key ring. Now, has any dealer ever promised you that before?
No.
Okay. This is how we do this. We've got to create value.